Hello everyone. Today we are starting exercise 6.3 of chapter number 6, integers. The first, I have already noted down the first question. The question number 1 is find. They have asked us to find out the values of the given parts. Here we are having the sum of the parts and we have to find out their values. Before starting this question, I just want to recall the formulas that we are going to use in these questions. The formulas are plus plus is equals to plus, plus minus is equals to minus, minus plus is equals to minus, and minus minus is equals to plus. So let us start with the A part. The A part is 35 minus 20. As I have told you, whenever the integers are written in bracket, the first step is we are going to open the bracket of these integers. And just remember that for solving these integers or for opening their bracket, we are just going to use these common rules. So let us start. First integer is 35. It is not written in bracket, so we are just going to copy it as it is without any change. For copying the next integer, you all can see that the integer 20 is written in bracket. The integer 20 is, we are not able to see any sign with it, any operation with it. It means there is a plus sign with it. Whenever we are not able to see any sign with any integer, in that case we should understand that there is a plus sign. Now we are going to use our rule, minus plus is equals to minus. You all can see over here minus plus is equals to minus. So the minus sign will be written over here and we will be copying the next integer. We have already opened the bracket. Just remember that as I have explained you in the previous exercise, for opening the bracket we are going to use our rule. So we have got this step. Now we have to solve them. Again, for solving them we are going to use the rule. Here 35, we are not having any sign before 35. It means there is a plus sign. We will use the rule again. Plus minus is equals to minus. It means we are going to subtract these two integers. 35 minus 20. What we will get? 5, 1, 15. At last, whenever we are writing the answer, we have got the answer of this part, of this A part. But before completing it, we just want to check that which sign will be written with it. Now we are going to look the greater integer. Which one is the greater over here? One of the integer is 35, another one is 20. So 35 is greater over here. And what is the sign with 35? There is a plus sign. So we are going to write plus sign with the answer. Now let us come to the B part. B part is 72 minus 90. The part is quite similar to the A part. Again we are going to open the bracket. We will copy our 72. We do not have any sign with 90. It means there is a plus sign. Minus plus minus. Minus sign will come over here and we will copy the integer 90. Next, for solving them, again we are going to use our rule, plus minus minus. It means we are going to subtract these two integers. You know that 90 is greater and 72 is smaller. It means 72 will be subtracted from 90. This will become 10. 10 minus 2 will be 8. This will become 8, 18. Now the time to put the sign with the answer. As I have told you, we will be looking for the greater integer. Here the greater integer is 90. And what is the sign with 90? Minus sign. Sign with 90 means the sign that is written just before the integer. So the sign is minus sign. Hence we are going to put the minus sign with the answer. Now let us come to the C part. The C part is minus 15 minus 18. So this time both the integers are written in bracket. The first step is we are going to open the brackets of these integers. Minus 15 will be written as it is. Now minus minus plus. The plus sign will come over here and we will write 18. Again, now that we have already opened the bracket, now the time to solve them. For solving them, we are going to use the rule again, minus plus minus. So it means we are going to subtract these two integers. 18 minus 15. We have to subtract both of them. So our answer will be 3. Now the time to look for the sign in the answer. Which sign we are going to put with the answer? We will look for the greater integer. The greater integer is 18 and the sign with the greater integer is plus. It means we will write there will be a plus sign with 3. So the C part is completed. Now let us come to the D part. D is minus 20 minus 13. This is your D part. Again, the first step is we are going to open the bracket. Minus 20 will be copied as it is. Now minus, there is a plus sign, minus plus, minus, and 13 will be copied. Again, for solving them, we will use the rule minus minus plus. Minus minus is plus. It means we are going to add these two integers. 20 plus 13, 3, 3, 33. Now the time to put the sign with the answer, we will look for the greater integer. The greater integer is 20 and the sign with 20 is minus. So hence we are going to put minus sign with the answer. Now let us come to the E part. E is 23 minus 12. 23 minus 12. Again, first of all, we are going to open the bracket. We will copy the integer 23 minus plus sign will come over here. We will copy 12. Now first of all, we will check the rule. Here there is a plus sign, plus. We are going to add them. 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 1, 3. The answer is 35. Now we will look for the greater integer. The greater is 23 and hence the sign with 23 is plus. So the plus sign will come with the answer. Now let's come to the F part. F part you are going to try yourself. The F part is minus 32 minus 40. Just remember that first of all you are going to open the bracket. For opening the bracket you are going to use the rules. Again, for solving them you will use the rule again, and hence at last you will get your answer.